Check this out. This is shredded cheese with mayonnaise and crushed garlic. You basically take about 5-6 cloves of garlic with a half cup of mayonnaise, mix it, let it infuse while you get your cheese from the fridge, dump it and mix it. You won't believe the taste. So I call it shredded cheese, mayo and garlic salad. It's very quick to make. You can feed your friends, let them put it on a bread, or for you keto dieters, you can make lettuce torpedoes and torpedo them into your mouth with lettuce. Very intense flavor. Once you eat it, you will never forget it. Although it's only good if you don't have a date this evening, okay? You're gonna sleep alone. Here's the another one. It's about 6 eggs here, shredded cheese and garlic. The same idea. Mix mayonnaise with garlic, let it fuse, and that shredded eggs, or crush it with the fork or use them on a shredder, I don't care. You will still end up with amazing thing. I don't throw chives here, anything. Eggs little bit drier than just cheese. Cheese is slippery. So you're gonna need more mayonnaise in this thing and less garlic. That's all. 0 carbs. Okay? It's not emergency food, it's super awesome food. Have a nice meal.